everyone, welcome back. So excited to share my giveaway. I have it on Instagram. I've had it up the beginning of the week, and I really meant to come on here for those who don't have Instagram. If you do, my contest is on there and it shows you what to do, but Barely Arts has contacted me, and they know I love their glue, and I really appreciate them because they're going to give 5 of my followers free bundle of this. So it's going to be the refill, this large refill, this that I use in all my tutorials, and it's going to have the needle point heads, all the tips, that I've lost, that I need to get again. But it's just an amazing glue, and they're helping me because my 20K followers on Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram, I really want to be fair because I know I have a totally different kind of following on YouTube. So I want you to enter by putting enter me and below, or just comment below. And I'm going to try and mix it. So I'm going to try and pick 2 or 3 on YouTube and 2 or 3 on Instagram. So, okay guys, I'm so excited to share that, okay? But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm obviously using my glue today for the tutorial, like I do in all of them. And this one page, yes, you're just using one 12 by 12 paper for this adorable little wallet album. And it's so cute. I guess it's kind of an older tutorial, but here we go. I haven't done it and it was fun. So you have this little strap here. You don't have to put it in, but if you open the wallet, it'll kind of pop up. So it's just a nice little touch. And then you guys, this paper is just so gorgeous. I made another album with it, and you can see it always just looks amazing. I don't have to do much to make it just beautiful because it's already beautiful for me. So but look at how pretty. I mean, this is so cute. For those of you who are doing the Christmas in July, this is the one. This is adorable. If you're doing a cute little swap, or I wanted to do the Christmas paper, but I was like, okay, I have to use the rest of the scrap for this collection because I just have a little bit left. So let's get started. It takes just a few minutes, and again, you're using one 12 by 12 paper. I'm mixing my pages up, so my pages are gonna look different. But what's gonna happen is you're gonna cut your 8 by 12, your 12 by 12 paper into an 8 by 12. So we're gonna do the inside first, and go ahead and lay that down. At the 8-inch score, we're gonna score it at 4 inches. And this is a pretty standard album, but it's just the cuteness of it. So go ahead and score it at 4 inches, and then flip it to the 12-inch side. And I'm using double-sided paper. I don't think it's a big deal if you don't have it. Once you flip it, do 3, 6, and 9. So, oh goodness, I don't know why it keeps doing that at 3 inches. Okay, 3, 6, and 9. So you're gonna have 8 boxes right here. And we're going to kind of do it the old school way. You're going to cut it down the middle up to the last box. So I'll show you what it looks like. So we're just going to cut 3 rows in the middle. Okay, so you've got this little guy just hanging on. Okay, we're done with our scoreboard. Yay, too easy. So once you get to this part, we're going to just take the end that's sealed and push it down. Okay, and this is how we're going to fold it. So once this is folded, go toward the album down. So it's going to be like this, and then go back and then down. And this should be hanging out because you want that to seal on the album. Okay, so go ahead and flip it and do the same thing. Just go down toward the album, back, and then down. And that's how we're going to get our little album. And you're going to see all these crazy little things, and we're just going to seal up those as pockets. So that's going to be a pocket, this is going to be a pocket, and this is going to be a pocket. So let me do a punch. I'm going to just punch my pockets right now. This first one right here. Okay, that's one right there. And then this is going to be our little side pocket, that weird hanging one. Okay, and then our last pocket is going to be like that third last page. And I'm just going to seal it up. So, let me seal this. Yeah, if I had my nozzle, it wouldn't be so sloppy all the time. Okay, I'm just waiting till I run out of my glue, so. Okay. That's pocket number 1. Now here's to pocket number 2. And then pocket number 3 is going to be that one right there. Okay, so when you open it, it's going to be top pocket, side pocket, top pocket, and then the back. Okay, too easy. Now also what I'm going to do is I'm going to round off the edges of the album. So just take your album and the cover page and back page, you're just going to corner round it. Again, that's preference. Sorry, I didn't look normal. Okay, so it looks like that. So let's go ahead and do our cover. So the cover is going to be your remaining sheet. You're going to have a leftover 4-inch strip, and you're just going to cut that 4-inch strip down to 8 3/4. Okay, and then we're also going to round this off so it looks wallety. Something about wallets, right? You guys are just so cute. They're cute to receive, they're cute to mail. Okay, so that's rounded off. Now, this is the part where you're gonna go ahead and get your ribbon, if you would like ribbon on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this gorgeous gold ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby. And you're gonna just put your album on its back here. And I'm going to grab some tape. I'm gonna grab a tape that's not too messy. I'm just gonna lay, this is just double-sided tape, just kind of laying it down like that. I'm just gonna tear it off. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, I like to go a little extra leeway when I do my ribbons because it's always better to have more than less. I made that too tight because you want it to fold down. And so I'm gonna go like this. And then snip it. Okay, and again, this part's optional. I don't have to do that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the front cover and glue that down first. Okay, so just add glue on that front part right there because we have to kind of crease the page before we fold it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this page and lay it down. Make sure your paper is the way you want it to be. I'm just gonna leave a little space right there, just so it looks pretty and you can see the cover. If you have single-sided paper, maybe you don't wanna do that. And like this, okay? So then we have this back page hanging. Now what we're gonna do is just close your album and just simply kind of roll it. You want to just like roll it, but don't like push on it, you know, so it has that wallet look to it, because when you're folding it, you want to see where you're going to glue it down at, because if you don't make that crease first, it's going to probably be wonky. So after you have that little fold, that'll kind of give you the leeway to go ahead and glue the back now. So now I'm going to add it on the back. Sorry, I should have unclogged this. I just don't know how to keep my cap on. Okay. Now that's globbed on. All right, so now after that, I'm gonna go ahead and fold it down. Okay, and now let me tie this real quick so I can do the other piece with you. So I'm going to tie this. You guys can painfully watch me tie this ribbon or forward it. Okay, and then I'm gonna just trim that down just a little bit. So it's like pretty in there. And then just take this and just, you can either take your, you could probably take a bone fold and go like this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go like this. So it has that cute little wallet look to it. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is take some Velcro. I scooped this up from my local dollar store, but I'm sure they have it online. And I like to stack mine like this before I do it. And I kind of just pop it on, so I'm not trying to figure out where's what. And then I put it on there. So when I open it, they're even. And how cute. So let me go ahead and decorate this with you guys, since I think you typically like to watch me do that. So let me grab some foam tape. I'm just gonna add something on there like that other one. This will go on here. Might be too much, but that's okay. So I'm gonna open it and untie it. But isn't this the sweetest thing? I mean, we did it in like 10 minutes, literally. So when you open it, I'm gonna go ahead and stick a tag that I cut out on the top, so you can see there's a top pocket right there. And I'm gonna add using this foam tape, I'm just gonna add some little embellishments on here. This line makes it too easy, you guys, like too easy just to make this album beautiful. I mean, look at the paper, it's so pretty. And then just like that, that looks really pretty like that. Oop, didn't stick that on, sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip it. I've just got a little piece here of scrap I'm gonna put on the side. That'd probably look really pretty with a tab if you have that extra space right there. That would be pretty in there. I mean, you can literally take any piece out of this collection and just plop it on there. Okay. There's another little tag I'm just gonna throw on the top. This is kind of a smaller one, actually. Like these little ones, I love to embellish them with like another thing. So let me grab this little tiny flower. And just pop it on there. Oops, that foam is showing. Hold on, let me move this. So it's so cute, just like a little 3D flower. And if you want, you can like clip it on there and that will look really pretty too. So I'm just gonna stick it in there just so something's in there. And let me see if I have one more. Well, here's a watering can. I wonder how this would look. Like if you're pouring water or something. Let me see. Hopefully this doesn't look cheesy. Okay, I'm gonna put that here. And then let's see if I can get a flower to hose down with the watering can. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I think we're going to be leaving for a little bit. So this may be the last video upload for like a week. But I'm gonna try and maybe record something tomorrow so I can upload it while I'm gone, but I can't promise it because I have so much to do before we go. We're just visiting some family and stuff, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. I didn't realize it was this week. I thought for some reason it was next week, but my birthday is on the 28th, so I thought it'd be fun just to go for my birthday. All right, so let's flip through real quick before I shut this down. Really cute page. You know, you can add whatever you want. Just kind of want to show you the basics of how I decorated mine. And then, you know, you can decorate this side or put your photos in there. But this one came out really pretty, right? This little page. And then you got your tag up here, your little decorated tag. And then this I kind of just left. But let me see how it would be if you didn't tie it, just so you, those who don't want to do it. So if you don't tie it, I mean, it's still, oops, sorry. It's hard to get this. It's still fine. It'll just puff up more. So I guess this tie is good to have. But you can always crease that down a little bit more. Let me see. But this is such a fun little tutorial. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this one. Yeah, that kind of holds it down more. So my Velcro page is just... So there it is, you guys. Really fun, easy tutorial. Love this one. Hope you guys do too. Okay, guys, if I'm not here for the 4th of July, I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July and all that good stuff. And I forgot to mention the contest, I should have mentioned in the beginning, is USA only because they have to, you know, ship. So I have a coupon code to hand out after. And it pays 100% for the item. So, okay, I'm so sorry to the international. I love you guys, and I wish I could, you know, have you guys enter. Maybe someday we can do something, you know, so everyone can join. Okay, guys, thank you so much.